Hi, today I noticed that my HiBrew H10A espresso machine was leaking water from the Grouphead while brewing. This has happened with my other espresso machines and usually means the gasket needs to be replaced. Over time, the rubber gasket wears out, but luckily, HiBrew provides an extra one in the box. I'm going to show you how to change the gasket step by step. First, remove the water tank and drip tray and unplug the machine. Then flip it over to access the Grouphead more easily. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw holding the shower screen in place. Once you remove the screen, give it a good clean. Next, you need to remove the old gaskets. The outer one is easy to take off. New machines may not have this gasket. The one below can be a bit tricky. I use a tweezer to insert the sharp end into the rubber and pry it up. Look at the coffee residue there. My machine is the older version, which has 2 rubber gaskets. The newer models have an upgraded single gasket that is leak-proof and hermetically sealed. You'll notice the design is slightly different. Before putting in the new gasket, clean the Grouphead thoroughly. Debris and coffee grounds can affect the seal and cause leaks. Since this machine doesn't have a 3-way valve, if you remove the portafilter immediately after brewing, the remaining pressure will push the grounds all over the Grouphead, which might cause the leaking issue. Make sure to clean out the grounds from the gaps where you lock the portafilter in. The new rubber gasket has 2 sides, one with a raised rim and one that is smooth. The side with the raised rim should face inside, while the smooth side should face outside, contacting the portafilter. Put the gasket in and tighten it up. Now, put the shower screen back on and screw it in. Lock the portafilter in and out a few times to further tighten the gasket into place. Time to check the result. Right now, it's in the pre-infusion stage. The brew pressure is ramping up to the green zone. Great, it doesn't leak. If you have the same leaking problem, try replacing the gasket. Also, after brewing, let the portafilter sit for a while before removing it. This can prolong the life of the gasket. A puck screen can also help keep the brew head clean. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.